So I had a little bit of situation with this page right here, the checkout page, meaning that this is a very sensitive part of the site, meaning I can't really tweak anything on it besides language. I can't add like another form after an order confirmation asking the customer for more information. There isn't anywhere in the backend to where I can actually edit that or change that. Uh, just for just for security's sake on the back end, you wouldn't want to be hacked. And so Shopify has its own database and it keeps it secure, and you can't mess with it. The only thing that you can mess with is the language. So you can change the language here, and you can change the language here, and you can just change some aspects of this. And so we're going to have to work with that. And so the first thing that I'm going to think of is, instead of customer information, we just simply add a little bit more clarity to this, to where it's obvious, to where the information that you provide here is going to show up on the title of deed. And so I know it's a little bit awkward, because you're trying to kill two birds with one stone, essentially, with matching the billing address to the actual vesting information. But we're going to have to work with it for now until we find a better solution. Basically, in order to access that language here, you're going to have to go to this editor right here, click on Theme Actions, and then Edit Languages. Once you do that, you should scroll over to where it says Checkout and System. Once you do that, you scroll down all the way to where it says, you know what, I'm gonna search. I'm gonna do Command F search. So customer information. Oops. Let's see. All right. So we're going to change this to something more specific. Customer information as shown on deed. That is one option. That is a bit verbose, but we're gonna let's see just how it looks, and you can kind of get a feel for kind of experimenting with your own language and seeing what works. But I'm just gonna show you potentially how it could look like. So customer info as shown on deed. That's not bad. It's not perfect, but we can work with that for now. And instead of billing address, we could say something along the lines of let's see here. We could say something along the lines of billing address of owner. Just be kind of very generic like that. I think that would work for now. But we can have this discussion later. Let's see how it looks. So it's not perfect. It's a little wonky, but that's kind of the quick and dirty way of doing this and going about it. Yeah, there you go.